When you are the leader in your industry, the competitors watch your every move. They start doing what you do, trying to emulate your success. If that's the case, for Competition Environmental, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery.
We were the first ones with the tractor and the wagons. We still have probably the most going right now. We kind of got it refined, how they work, how they run, how they operate. We're probably the biggest one down here in the corner.
There are many reasons why Competition has set the bar so high. Reputation with a proven track record, dependable drivers, plus the latest in equipment.
We just want to be kind of the leader in the industry and have, like, we're pretty well the first ones to have a semi-vax down here. We got truck and pup, pretty well the first ones down here to have hydrovacs, what are certified tanks to haul the contaminated fuel. So we can kind of see what's going to happen here a little bit. So we're kind of changing with the industry as it goes on too.
On this day, the crew is putting in a sewer line at a site. With the hydrovac trucks, they're able to leave less of a mess behind than you would with some of the bigger equipment like a backhoe.
These units have their own water, their own wash gun, their own boiler, and can suck up the fluid there too and contain it in their tank.
The wands cut away the earth, water and mud is sucked up through the boom into the tank. And because the mud isn't contaminated, it can be disposed of into a swamp on the site without any damage to the environment.
Because our tanks, they got all the safety rollover protection, they got the proper valves, like if your air goes out, these are spring assisted valves, and they'll just come down automatically, and the truck is contained so nothing can leak. So the truck's got rollover protection, they got the safety valves, they're certified every year. We have to take them away, get them certified, so they're really a good, safe unit for the project they are.
Setting environmental standards is something Competition takes very seriously.
We supply environmental technicians to look after lining up the water and spread fields, test the drilling mud, and do all our necessary reporting to the government. Plus then we also have the trucks that go out and spread it, and so we can work kind of closely with our drivers and keep it all kind of in-house, where they both work together, as most companies will either be one or the other. They'll either be environmental or else have the vacuum trucks.
Competition has helped change the industry for drilling oil. Gone are the days when the only way to drill was with dangerous, ugly, open, deep pits.
Well, the big thing is the cleanup at the lease. There's no danger of the pits, the deep pits, what were on site before. So that's the biggest thing. Like, you can get a service rig in quicker, the cleanup's quicker, and the cost of building the lease is a lot cheaper too with the way we do it now, land spreading. And sometimes, you know, we're short on moisture, like water, so you can use less volume here too when you drill like this.
Oftentimes, the Competition crew is the buffer between the oil company and the landowner. So being able to dispose of water the right way and the environmentally safe way is the difference between a healthy relationship between oil companies and landowners.
Try and leave at the end of the day with the landowner relatively satisfied that, you know, that we did a good job. And basically it comes down to us, our guys being competent enough, and the oil companies are usually really good at compensating the landowner if there is a mess. They basically have to, or else we just wouldn't be able to do it anymore.
Competition Trucking, setting the environmental standards in the Saskatchewan Patch since 1996, and how they have grown from a modest 4-truck operation to 20 trucks and 10 trailers, with no signs of slowing down in the future.